Now children, in preparation of alkanes by different methods, right, like from unsaturated hydrocarbons by addition of hydrogen, right. Next method is from alkyl halides or aliphatic halides, and this method of preparation of alkanes is based on name reaction, right, and this name reaction is Wurtz reaction, right. Wurtz used aliphatic halides with sodium metal, right, and condition is dry ether, right, ether as solvent, but in which state? In anhydrous state. Water free ether is also known as dry ether, right. If water is present, then reaction between sodium metal and water, right. This is the experimental condition. Sodium metal is taken with dry ether, then reaction of sodium metal with aliphatic halide like CH3Cl, CH3Br, any aliphatic halide, right. Then formation of double carbon containing hydrocarbon. In reactant, in bromomethane, only one carbon atom is present, right? But one carbon containing halide gives two carbon containing hydrocarbon. How many molecules are required in Wurtz reaction? Two molecules of same halide, bromomethane. Elimination of this sodium halide, which is sodium bromide, and formation of hydrocarbon. An important feature of this one, even carbon containing, double carbon containing, right? Double carbon containing hydrocarbon is obtained by Wurtz reaction, right? Very short answer question which is related with Wurtz reaction. What happens in Wurtz reaction? Conversion of aliphatic halides into aliphatic hydrocarbons. Which metal is required in Wurtz reaction? Sodium metal. Which solvent? Dry ether. Okay. Now next method. Second example in Wurtz reaction is bromoethane. If two carbon containing halide is taken, then in product side in hydrocarbon double carbon atoms. Four carbon containing hydrocarbon is obtained. Its molecular formula is C4H10. Conversion of bromoethane into butane by Wurtz reaction. Right? In butane, four carbon atoms are present, and in bromoethane, two carbon atoms. When in product side, double carbon atoms are present in hydrocarbon, then reaction or proper method is Wurtz reaction. Right? Preparation by Wurtz reaction. Next method is from carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is RCOOH. Right? Either by carboxylic acid or by sodium salt of carboxylic acid. If carboxylic acid is taken, acetic acid is taken, propanoic acid is taken, right, then liberation of CO2 gas, which is also known as decarboxylation, right. If salt is taken, this is sodium acetate. Acetic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then gives sodium acetate. Then reaction of sodium acetate with soda lime. What is soda lime? Soda means sodium hydroxide and lime means quicklime. Homogeneous mixture of equal amount of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is known as soda lime. Right children? Soda lime is mixture of two compounds and ratio is always 1:1 and condition is homogeneous, not heterogeneous. Right? The heating of sodium salt of carboxylic acid in the presence of soda lime, formation of one carbon less hydrocarbon. In sodium acetate, two carbon atoms are present, and in hydrocarbon, one carbon is present. Second carbon is balanced, is written as carbonate salt, which is sodium carbonate. Na2CO and one O from here. Na2CO3 and hydrocarbon CH3 and CH4, right? Now difference between this method from carboxylic acid and by Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, double carbon atoms are present, and by carboxylic acid method, one carbon less hydrocarbon. If salt of propanoic acid is taken, CH3, CH2, COO, then which product is obtained? C2H6, right? This alkyl part is written as hydrocarbon. If C2H5 is present, then C2H6, right? C3H7 is present, then propene. Okay, children? Important feature of this method. Next is coal-base. This is second name reaction. Name reaction, right? Coal-base electrolytic method. Children, coal-base use sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This is sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate. Electrolysis. Electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium salt of carboxylic acid and then formation of hydrocarbon having double carbon atoms, right? No, same carbon. 2 carbon atoms are present here, 2 carbon atoms are present here. 2 moles are required. In this method, 2 moles of this salt. And this salt, this process is based on electrolysis of salt, right? For electrolysis, electrolytic cell is required. And in electrolytic cell, right, any cell, 2 electrodes are required. One is anode, second is cathode. In electrolytic cell, anode is positively charged and cathode is negatively charged, right? Oxidation occurs at anode, reduction occurs at cathode. Okay, children? After dissociation of this salt into ions, anions and cations, right? Because this anode is positively charged, then attraction of negative ion towards positive electrons, right? And then what happens? Oxidation. What is modern concept of oxidation? Tendency of any ion, atom to lose electron, right? 1 mole of acetate ion loses 1 electron, 2 moles will lose 2 electrons, right? And then 2 electrons are lost by this one, and then formation of free radical. 1 mole gives 1 electron. It means 1 free radical of acetate. 2 moles of acetate ions will give 2 moles of free radical. This is free radical, this is odd electron, right? 4 electrons are present in the form of pairs, and this is odd electron. This is free radical. Okay, children? The next step is bond cleavage, bond breaking by homolytic method. Homolysis between this and this, right? Homolysis is shown by half additive. In this part, what happens? Breaking homolysis between CH3C, double bond O, and here odd electron is present on this oxygen odd. After homolysis, 1 electron goes to this, second to this, right? Then formation of methyl free radical plus stable molecule. 1 electron is already present, 1 comes after homolysis. This electron and this electron forms double bond. In CO2, 2 pi bonds are present. What is its structure? CO2 and CO2. This electron and this electron, new bond between C and O, stable molecule. Okay, children? 2 moles of acetate gives 2 moles of carbon dioxide, which is written as stable product, right? And this methyl free radical and second methyl free radical like this, CH3 plus CH3, and formation of new chemical bond between 2, and stable product is C2H6. This is stable product, right? After reaction between 2 methyl free radicals, then formation of stable molecule which is C2H6. Okay, children? Hydrocarbon in coal-base method, coal-base electrolytic method, hydrocarbons are obtained at anode, right? And at cathode, liberation of hydrogen gas, right, children? Here is aqueous solution. Water also acts as electrolyte, right? Then what happens? In parallel, electrolysis of water, but at cathode, always reduction occurs, right? This electron is accepted by 1 mole of water. When 2 moles of water are taken, when 2 moles of water react with electron, then how many electrons are required? 2 moles, right? Then formation of 2 hydrogen free radicals and 2 OH minus ions, right? OH minus ions combined with sodium ions and give this product, sodium hydroxide, right? And reaction between hydrogen and hydrogen free radical, hydrogen free radical, and formation of H2 gas, right? Two important products: at anode hydrocarbon, at cathode liberation of hydrogen gas. Okay children, this reaction equation is written with one electron only. If 2 electrons are returned, then formation of 2 free radicals, and its double product is this, right? And sodium hydroxide is byproduct with this method. Main product is hydrocarbon. Methane is not possible by Colway's method, right? First, hydrocarbon is 2 carbon containing, right? But preparation of methane is not possible by this method. CH4 is not possible by this method. What is the reason? Here is reaction between free radicals. When reaction occurs between 2 methyl free radicals, then double carbon containing. And for methyl, what is required? Formate. Sodium formate. Sodium formate means HCOO Na+, right? This part gives the CO2 and this part will give hydrogen gas. Okay children? Not any hydrocarbon. This is the important part. We cannot prepare methane by Colway's electrolytic method. Okay children, for reaction mechanism, this is first part in reaction mechanism. Give reaction mechanism for Colway's electrolytic method. This is reaction mechanism. Mechanism is always shown by curved arrow. Mechanism shows bond breaking and bond formation, right? This part is important. Reactions at anode and cathode in Colway's electrolytic method.